All right, when renovating a bathroom, or any space for that matter, it's important to think about resale value. We're going to show you how to make the right selections, what buyers are looking for, so you can get the biggest bang for your buck. I think if you can, it's a good idea to keep a bath in your bathroom, however the size, because half the market is our families looking for their bath.
So you're saying if you don't have a bath, that's half the market gone?
Yeah, it's important to keep it.
Wow.
When you're choosing your finishes for small spaces,
Yep.
it's good to keep things sort of light and bright. And so we've chosen some tiles from Beaumont Tiles that are that natural aesthetic, and they won't polarise people 10 years down the track if we decide to sell. So a lot of people go the dark side in their bathrooms,
Yeah.
but I have seen the light. The black looks nice. Everyone does matte black.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Sorry?
I don't like it.
You don't like matte black? I don't like chrome. Brush nickel it is.
Right.
You're stoked, aren't you? So I reckon that one of the most important steps of your bathroom reno is your waterproofing.
Yeah.
It has to be right. You cannot cut corners. And if
And
you
you
can sell the home with a waterproofing certificate, that's a bonus.
Yeah, so you got to use your licensed trades. That's a big one for me.
Always licensed trades, yeah.
So if you're thinking of resale, remember to KISS. Keep it simple, stupid.
So the more simple a space can be when you take out all of your personal items, the sort of broader market you'll have when it comes time to sale.
Yeah, and so just make sure it's welcoming, good quality, and it's done right, and you will not go wrong.
We've not gone wrong.
You've gone wrong in many ways.
Not in here though.
Okay.